Okay, so this is the loop exercise where you type a number and you print back that number's multiplication table. So we define n and the count, and we'll repeat the count from 1 to 10 and type out your number uh, uh, and say it will multiply the count, and that is equal to that multiplication. So if we run it, 5 times 1 times, and here I have 3 of the loop exercises. For example, here I have this one. The first one, write a pseudocode to display the first 10 natural numbers in reverse. And if I run it, I have 10, 9, 8, 7, 2, 1. The other one I did was number 3. Write a pseudocode to display n terms of natural number and their sum. Go to the okay. So we define the numbers number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and a sum like whole numbers. Start sum equals to 0. Write to insert the number, we read it, and we write the first and the number read. Natural numbers are number 3 equals to number 1 minus 1, and number 4 equals to number 1. And we'll repeat number 2 is equals to number 1 minus number 3, and write without jumping number 2 space, and number 3 is equal to number 3 minus 1, and the sum is equal to sum plus number 2 till number 2 is equal to number 4. So for example, if I write the number 5, what it will do, it's gonna sum the numbers before 5 till 5, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And it should give 15, I believe. Yes, the sum up to 5 terms is 15. And the other loop is what was it? Write a pseudocode to display the number in reverse order. And here I have it. I'll just run it right away because it was an easy one. 1, 2, 3, 4 should print 4, 3, 2, 1. It does.